Have you ever experienced this? You understand English very well, you think in English very well, and you know exactly what you want to say it in English. But when it comes to speaking, you feel stuck, you feel nervous, and the words disappear. If this feels like you, then you're not alone. The problem is not lack of knowing English. The problem is not lack of knowledge. It's a lack of practice. Because when you can think in English, when you know already what you want to say it in English, that means that you already know the language and you're well in English. So the problem is not at all the knowledge, it's just a practice. And here's the reason why you're making these mistakes. The first thing is you fear a lot. You're afraid of making mistakes. You're afraid of being judged at. You're afraid of being mocked at. You think, what if I speak and people will judge me? What if I make mistakes? What others will think about me if I suddenly start doing this? Let me ask you a question. What is going to happen if they think about you? You cannot stop others from thinking what they want to think, but you can stop yourself from worrying about others' opinions, others' judgment. See, others' judgment or others' opinion is not going to reduce your wealth or health in any way. So why do you think and waste your time and energy on them? So just stop thinking about others, stop worrying about others, because you're working on to improve yourself and not impress anybody. Keep that in mind. It's okay to make mistakes. It's completely fine. Forget everything and start speaking. The second thing is you overthink a lot. Okay, whenever you want to speak, you look for perfection. You want your sentence to be properly framed, properly structured, and you don't want to make any grammatical mistakes. This overthinking is also killing your confidence to speak. It doesn't matter whether you are speaking a good English or broken English in the beginning. In the beginning, nobody is perfect. When I started speaking English, my English was literally broken. But with practice, I improved, and with practice, you can also do the same thing. Third and the most important thing is the lack of practice, the lack of speaking. And this is the main reason you're unable to speak even after having the knowledge of English. Forget everything and start speaking. And here are some ways with which you can solve all this problem. You can start with self-talk. You can talk to yourself, or you can talk to the mirror for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Or at least you can read books aloud, because it gives your muscles a practice for speaking. And when you start doing this, never look for perfection. It's okay to be imperfect. Nobody is perfect in the world. So why to stress ourselves being the so-called perfect? Also understand that you have to start slow. You need not to speak fast. See, speaking fast is not fluency. Okay, fluency is like how efficiently you're able to communicate your thoughts in a particular language. So don't connect fluency with speaking fastly. Okay, even native speakers, they don't speak fast, they speak slowly. The reason you're speaking is to somebody to understand you. And when we speak so fast and the opposite person is unable to understand what we're saying, then what's the purpose of speaking? Start speaking, start practicing, don't think about others, and maintain that consistency. And with that consistency, you will improve your language, you will improve your speaking skills to a next level. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like, share it with your friends who needs this. Here I'll be sharing every possible simple tips with which you can improve your English communication.